Alright guys, today I want to do a full unboxing, setup, and review on my UPREIGN Rowing Machine. I do want to say thank you to the company for setting this out for review. The entire setup took about 30 minutes. As you can see, everything is well organized right out of the box, making the setup pretty smooth. The parts are sturdy and the instruction manual walks you through each step, making it easy to follow along. It's clear that the rowing machine is built for both stability and comfort, and the process is smooth from start to finish. You'll be ready for your first row in no time. Alright, and here's the final setup. You can see the sleek design of the machine with the digital monitor that tracks your time, strokes, and calories burned. The 8-speed fine-tuning knob is right there, making it easy to adjust resistance. The footrests are non-slip and adjustable for a secure fit, and the handle is comfortable anti-slip grip to keep you steady during those longer sessions. You are able to pair this rower with a smart app, so I thought that was pretty neat. I did give it a try here. As you can see, you can sync in to monitor your workouts in real time, which was a pretty nice feature to add to it. As I mentioned earlier, the footrests are non-slip and adjustable for a secure fit. I did like that it had wheels, as you can see, and what's cool is that you can stand it up so it doesn't take up a whole lot of space and you're able to store this wherever you like. But now let's go ahead and actually use the machine so you can see it in action. I've set the resistance to a moderate level and the machine feels really smooth. It's quiet too, which is perfect for home use. You can feel it working all your muscles as you row, giving you a full body workout. Whether you want a light workout or something more intense, you can easily adjust the resistance to match your fitness level. The seat is padded and comfortable, which makes a big difference, especially if you're rowing for longer periods. The footrests keep your feet in place and feel really secure, so there's no slipping around. Even if you don't sign up for the app, you can just set your phone there to watch your favorite shows. Even in the short period, I felt my whole body, including my legs, arms, and core, all engaged during that workout. Overall, this rowing machine is really versatile, comfortable, and provides a full body workout that you can customize to your liking. It's definitely a great addition to any home gym, and if you're looking for a new rowing machine, definitely look into this one by UPREIGN. I'm going to leave that link down below. Highly recommend. This one's definitely a 10 out of 10.